Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to unbox and review the DC Justice League action figure 1/9 scale Batman tactical suit from Funjoy. This is the front of the box, DC logo, Justice League action figure, Batman logo, 1/9 scale, DC and Warner Brothers sticker. This figure is authentic and original. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Shot of the action figure, Batman text na naka emboss, yan, tactical suit, Funjoy logo, DC logo, Justice League logo, and Warner Brothers logo. Sa side naman, Batman tactical suit. Sa likod, the photo of the action figure, accessories, and some poses. Thank you very much Laruanan for sponsoring this video. Siya yung nagbigay sa atin ng toys for unboxing and review and customization. So if you want to get the Batman of Funjoy, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee. Alright, we have Batman out of the box and ang height niya mga 7.5 inches tall. It's a very solid build, wala namang loose joints. Overall, it's a very dark color palette na action figure. Ang colors niya, meron siyang silver, black, yung face niya, skin tone, tapos meron siyang goggles. And then, yung iba pa niyang colors ay gold and dark gray. So, start tayo sa face. Yan, mas i-zoom in natin yung face. You have the goggles, you have the nose bridge. Tapos, ito yung face niya. Okay naman, medyo, kamukha naman ni tingin ko, nakuha naman nila yung likeness ng chin ni Batfleck. You have the mouth design, very nice paint applications. You have the neck and the collar sa likod na nag-attach sa cape niya. Ito yung method nila para yung cape hindi gumagalaw. Yung cape nga pala made of cloth and wired cape siya. So pwede siyang i-pose, pwede nyo i-bend so that you will have some dynamic posing dun sa cape kung gusto nyo medyo mas wavy or mas curved yung edges ng cape design. Okay, sa body naman you have the large armor plating na silver, tapos on top of that meron kang large na Batman logo. Sa side you have the armor plates na silver, dark gray, at saka dun sa gauntlet na may blades na gold. Dito rin naman sa kanyang belt you have the buckle, tapos gold yung pouches niya. Meron kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na pouches, and you also have the armor plates dito sa legs niya. Tapos meron din siyang mga straps and buckles para maging secure yung mga armor plating dito sa ribs, sa chest, sa legs, sa knees, and sa shins. Tapos sa shoes naman, yung toe niya, color, meron kang armor plate again. So punong-puno siya ng armor plates na magkaka-overlap para maprotektahan yung suit niya na silver, and you also have the gold toe. Overall, it's a very nice Batman design na ginamit niya sa Justice League against the Parademon. So wala lang siyang Parademon na gun, pero marami siyang accessories. You have the grappling gun, batarang. Yung batarang niya dalawa. Teka, ito yung isa. Ito yung isa niyang batarang. Tapos meron pang mga out hands. Ito. Out hands and one collar and neck peg para sa out head sculpt. Ngayon palitan natin yung out head sculpt niya. Wait lang. Papalitan natin yung head sculpt niya with the unmasked head sculpt. Madali lang naman siya bunutin. Okay, tapos tanggalin niyo lang to. Okay. Tapos i-attach natin tong part na to. Oh! Alright, there you go. It's the Ben Affleck head sculpt. This is a very nice head sculpt ni Ben Affleck. For me, kamukha naman siya ni Ben Affleck. The likeness is there. And by yung value na, yung amount na binabayaran natin dito, siguro hindi ko lang sure kung magkano to, around 2,000 pesos plus. Meron ka ng Batfleck na sculpt, Batman na face, tapos meron ka pang iba accessories. Wala lang siyang Parademon gun. pero or rifle. Pero meron ka din palang stand na makukuha. So you have the base, the JL base, Justice League base logo. Tapos meron kang text dito ng Batman. And then it's an oval logo. Alam ko 5 inches to. So it's a wide base na pwede mo itayo dito si Batman. So mas ganda siya for your display kasi meron kang logo tsaka text. And you also have the pole. Yung pole medyo ingatan nyo lang to kasi mahirap siyang i-bend. Kaya mag-ingat lang kayo dito. And kapag plastic to, minsan may possibility na ma-break siya. Okay? Alright, in terms of articulation naman, head can look up, down, tilt. Okay? Tapos rotate 360, pwede rin. Arms can move teka lang. Can do 360, can rotate. Okay? Tapos can move up, down, up and down. Tapos meron ding rotation, elbow bend, double jointed elbow. Then you can also have some extension maybe. Oh, wala extension. Okay. Meron lang siyang side to side movement, tapos ab crunch that far, and stretch wala din, hindi masyado. Okay, stretch that far. Tapos side to side movement meron din. You can also twist 360. Tapos yung belt hindi mo na siya magagalaw, nakaglue na yan. Pull down yung legs, konting-konti lang. Kick. Tapos double jointed yung knee. And then ball jointed naman yung paa, and meron din siyang toe articulation. So overall, this is a very nice addition sa inyong Batman Justice League collection. If you want to order this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee. So yun lang mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye. Marami pala yung i-review. Mark II, War Machine Mark II. Meron tayong ano pala to? Mark, hindi ko na alam actually. Teka, papasahin ko lang yung box. So Mark 26, Mark 25, War Machine Mark II, Mark 15, and Mark 36. Alright, kung gusto niyo bumili pa ng iba pang mga Iron Man, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan, okay? But for now, ito na yung natapos nating review. Ben Affleck na Batman Tactical Suit from the Justice League movie. It's a very nice addition sa inyong collection. Very, very cool Batman action figure. Next video, i-customize natin to. Lalagyan natin siya ng black wash para mas maging dark yung kanyang suit. Okay? So yun lang. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!